Hello! So if you saw one of my videos last month, you would have seen a ringing reconnaissance mission to the Isle of Sheppey. Well, we're here. Hopefully this is where we find out whether all our planning worked or not. I'm not entirely sure. I think I probably made a complete and utter mistake, and I've probably got all the times wrong, but hopefully it'll be alright. We'll just have to wait and see. Okay then, sorry I didn't finish the video properly yesterday. I was kind of busy with making sure everyone was in the right place at the right time and ringing and driving, and then suddenly we got home and I flopped in a chair in front last night at the proms, and then suddenly it was 11:30 and it's like, oh no, I haven't finished the video, and I'll do it tomorrow. So it's now Sunday, and I'm sorry I didn't finish the video. Hope you enjoyed a little look at our day in Sheppey and North Kent. Make sure you're subscribed down there, and then you'll know when I upload my big boy video later in the week. I think it's going to be a good one this week. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I don't want to spoil the surprise, but I think you'll enjoy it, and I'll catch you soon.